The Australian stock market has received slightly negative leads from offshore markets overnight, after Wall Street gave up early gains to finish lower, whilst oil and metals prices eased. In Australian economic news on Tuesday, Reserve Bank of Australia Assistant Governor Malcolm Eadie is due to deliver a speech to the Cards and Payments Australasia 2011 conference. Also, the Housing Industry Association is due to release new home sales data for January. An hour into local trading, and the ASX 200 index is 10 points or 0.2% lower for the session so far, with resources holding the market back. In company news, pharmaceutical giant Cephalon Inc. has offered to pay about $163 million to take over the rest of Australian biopharmaceutical company ChemGenix Pharmaceuticals Limited. Cephalon already owns 28% in ChemGenix and is offering 70 cents per share for the remaining shares it does not have. ChemGenix's board has recommended the bid, provided no superior offers emerge. The bid comes 1 week after Cephalon agreed to buy another privately held cancer treatment developer for $225 million in cash, with the possibility for paying an additional $300 million for regulatory and sales milestones. This just goes to show how much the biotech sector is heating up at the moment, with numerous large corporate transactions occurring over the last few months. In other news, JB Hi-Fi Limited has reduced its full-year net profit guidance. Net profit for the 12 months to June was now likely to be $108.5 million to $113.5 million, compared with the previous forecast of $134 to $139 million. This is due to a nearly $25 million charge to restructure its discount electrical retailing brand Clive Anthony's. The company has also announced a buyback of up to 10% or $170 million of its own shares through an off-market buyback. Shares in JB Hi-Fi are up 7% at $19.80. On the currency front, the Australian dollar has eased slightly overnight after hitting a high of $1.03 US, and it is currently buying $1.0238 US. This is Dirk Van Dissel for Baker Young Stockbrokers.